Boy, what you say? Man, we finna go to the shop. Ooh,
Yeah,
I got ugly as shit. Hell yeah, man. Let's see what we get into today. Oh, can't show that. Uh-oh, who's that? Nah, cause we'll be back. We finna go do that. Finna go get these wheels mounted. Uh-oh, for the Harley. Damn.
No quiero acostarme, no puedo dormir, no puedo acabar, no me puedo rendir. Tanto recuerdo.
We just got here. Where we at, bro?
It's cold.
Huh? What we got right there? What's up, cuz?
De citas importantes, caviar y otras comidas elegantes, 20,000 como si nada, mucha ropa que es de marca, puras 10 son mis damas, desde antes de la fama. Pero déjame empezar, siéntense, les voy a contar lo que no sabían de mí, toda la verdad. Me arrestaron a los 15 años por querer lograr todos mis sueños. Le marcaron a mis jefes, le dijeron que no andaba nada bueno. Doble pantalón para aguantar los cintarazos. Cuando me corrieron yo me sentí abandonado. Son las cosas que uno va pensando, rolando un cigarro, paseando por Hollywood.
Uh-oh, she getting lifted. Right here, man. Ain't nothing but a Ford thing. Hey, even the new one, baby. How's she looking? Old. The 22s and the 20s. Oh, there we go. Hey, got the no wheels. Hey. Where we going, bro?
Shit, I don't know. We trying to go.
I don't know, man. It don't matter. I'm trying to eat. What you want to eat, man?
I don't care.
Huh?
I don't care.
You got the munchies or what?
Yeah,
Is this road open?
Should
Stuck
be.
with McDonald's?
Yeah, we're stuck with that.
Oh, yeah. What you want, bro? here, man. Where we at? Oh, what he working on? Hard working man. Hard working man.
Working. It's cold outside.
Hell yeah. Let me see, what time is it? 2 o'clock.
These niggas left the milk.
Wait, what? Oh, damn. Felix. Huh? Hey. Dang, it's cold. I need to get a haircut. Uh-oh. You need a haircut too, babe?
No.
What's up, babe?
Ew.
Wake your ass up, man. Hey, got my haircut. Got my haircut. Damn, why am I so close? Yeah. It's Sunday. It's like 10 o'clock.
It's 4:30.
Like 4:30. Dang, everything's frozen. Uh-oh. Worst I've ever seen. Everybody going slow, cars sliding, ice everywhere. It don't look like much, but it's there.
Is it this bad when it actually snowed?
Yeah, it wasn't right. Take over. It look like he's gliding in there. Look. Racing on you.
Yeah, right. Your truck wouldn't even make it out the driveway. Yes, it will. It'd slide out as soon as you take it out of a park.
These roads ugly. Got their blinkers on. What? They're taking pictures. They're chilling.
Oh.
Snowing, hailing, whatever this is. It's a little too hard for fucking snow. Nah, it's snow. It's getting white fast. Uh-oh. Dang. That was in a matter of seconds. I mean seconds, minutes. It got white.
Yeah, your truck is frozen.
Yeah. Be careful now. It's Sunday. A little bit late. But man, here we are. It's cold as fuck. All this snow, man. It's too cold outside. My girl went to go get some Rillos. Let's see what we do. Where she at, man? She taking forever. What you get at the store, babe?
That's your sourdough.
Let me see.
They didn't have the strawberry kind, so I got you.
That's fine. Oh, let's go. These snowy roads, icy roads, same thing. Yeah.
Just always fucking up my order, bro. I asked for Sprite and they gave me clown juice.
Clown juice. I asked for Dr. Pepper, not clown juice. It's still falling, man. Ooh, she looking icy. I know, I see. Uh-oh, that's how we ending our Sunday. What you watching, babe?
What did the goose say to the beehive?
Uh-oh. Yep. We're gonna play some Rocket League. Call it a day. I ain't do much today, but anyways. Yep. I'm finna call it a day. If you made it this far, thank you for staying. You a real one, man. And shit. Let's see when we're making another vlog, man.
Yeah.
That's just how they born, that's just how they are. No, we not the same, you could tell us apart. These pussy ass niggas got hate in their heart. I ain't know where to go, I ain't know where to start. I just picked up the keys and jumped right in the car. I don't know where I'm going, but I'm going far. I done ripped out my heart, fed that bitch to a shark. What's the point of these eyes if I'm stuck in the dark? I just lit up the blunt, got it smelling like fart. If the ticket sound right, I'ma throw it in the cart. I told you I don't give a fuck about the chart. Let's get to the biting, I'm not tryna bark. I'ma stay over here cause them folk not 100. I'm sick of these niggas, I just wanna bum. I was feeding these niggas with none in my stomach. These bands in my pocket, the only thing running. As long as I'm breathing, it's gon' keep coming. I made me a lot out of a whole lot of none.